To factory reset the Pocket 4, turn on the device, then scroll down from the top of the screen, go into the setting gear, and scroll down to the very bottom of that menu. You will find just a little bit higher factory reset. So select it and confirm. From there, it will restart just like a brand new device. There we go. You can choose the language. If you have an SD card, this will be asked. And there you go. You don't need to re-register the camera because this was already done. But there we go. The camera is just like brand new. This is the kind of thing you may want to do before you resell the camera, or if you just want to have every setting back to default.